There is a strange kind of loneliness that exists in modern relationships. You can talk to someone every single day, share memes, late night thoughts, playlists, selfies, good morning texts, and still go to sleep feeling emotionally disconnected. And maybe that's why so many people today are tired. Not tired of love itself, but tired of confusion, tired of mixed signals, tired of overthinking simple things, and tired to pretend that they are okay with casual when deep down they crave something real. Because relationships today don't just happen between two people anymore. They happen between notifications, social media, past traumas, attachment issues, comparisons, anxieties, and constant fear of being hurt. पहले प्यार सिंपल था, अब इमोशनल सर्वाइवल जैसा लगता है. एंड द स्केरी पार्ट इज मोस्ट पीपल आर नॉट even asking for perfection anymore. They are asking for clarity, consistency, efforts, and peace. So, if ever you have felt emotionally exhausting while trying to love someone in this generation, this video is definitely for you. Why modern relationships feel so exhausting? Love used to feel simple in stories. You met someone, you connect, you build a life together. But ab, you can talk to someone all day and still feel emotionally confused. You can be dating someone for months and still not knowing where you stand. You can receive good morning texts, reels, compliments, heart emojis, and still feel deeply lonely. Modern relationships are exhausting, not because people don't want love anymore, but because today love is happening in a world full of emotional burnouts, endless options, social media pressures, fear of vulnerability, and constant overthinking. And honestly, sometimes it feels like we are emotionally tired people trying to love each other while secretly struggling ourselves. प्यार सबको चाहिए पर किसी को हर्ट भी नहीं होना. That's the contradiction. And here we are not blaming any particular gender. ना ऐसा नहीं है. It's about understanding why relationships today feel mentally heavy even when two people genuinely care about each other. Because maybe the problem is not that love has disappeared. Maybe the way we experience love has changed. There was a time when communication had pauses. Back then, you waited for letters, you waited for calls, you missed people naturally. पर अब क्या हो रहा है? Everyone is available all the time, and somehow that has made relationships more stressful instead of more peaceful. Or texting culture has completely changed emotions. Today, relationships are measured through response time, online activity, streaks, likes, posts. One dry text can ruin your mood for the entire day. एक delayed reply can create 10 fake scenarios in your mind. He is online but he's not replying. She viewed my story but ignoring my message. And suddenly love feels less of connection and more of emotional monitoring. We are no longer just talking to people. We are constantly interpreting them. Kind of judging hai ye bhi. Every emoji means something. Every reply timing means something. Every Instagram follow means something. And mentally, it becomes exhausting, yaar. Because human beings were never designed to have 24/7 emotional access to each other. Space जो था ना naturally exist करता था. अब silence भी suspicion लगता है. And the worst part, texting creates the illusion of intimacy without depth of real connection. You can text someone every single day, still never feel emotionally safe with them. Because real connection is not built through constant notification, it is built through emotional intimacy. Consistency बहुत रेयर हो गई है. Or one of the biggest reasons modern relationships is draining is mixed signals. Nobody says what they actually feel anymore. People flirt seriously and commit casually. Someone will talk to you every day, act emotionally attached, give you attention, comfort, attention, and the moment you ask, what are we? Suddenly they say, I am not ready for anything serious. होता है ना ऐसा? And you sit with their confused because their emotions felt like real love. Modern dating creates a culture where people want emotional benefits without emotional responsibility. क्लोजनेस सबको चाहिए, कमिटमेंट किसी को नहीं चाहिए, अटेंशन चाहिए, अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं चाहिए, कनेक्शन चाहिए बट लेबल्स नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि लेबल्स स्केरी फील होते हैं। एंड ऑनेस्टली मेनी पीपल आर नॉट इंटेंशनली टॉक्सिक। ऐसा नहीं है कि सब खराब हैं, दे आर इमोशनली कंफ्यूज देमसेल्फ। Some people genuinely like you but are terrified to commit. Some people want love but panic when things become emotionally real. And that inconsistency slowly destroys people emotionally. Human beings na can handle pain better than confusion. At least rejection gives you clarity, but mixed signals uska kya? They keep people emotionally trapped. कभी इतना प्यार देते हैं कि होप बन जाती है, और कभी इतना डिस्टेंस हो जाता है कि सेल्फ वर्थ ही टूटने लगती है। That emotional push and pull becomes addictive. And many modern relationships are surviving on emotional highs and lows. Stability पे कोई नहीं survive कर रहा है। और ये एक और कारण है कि relationships feel harder today because most people are carrying emotional wounds they never healed from. This is where attachment styles come from. Some people become anxious in relationships. They overthink everything, they fear abandonment, they need assurance बार बार, एंड स्लोली उनको ऐसा लगता है कि स्लो रिप्लाईज जो आ रहे हैं वो रिजेक्शन है, डिस्टेंस जो है वो लॉस है, और साइलेंस वो बहुत पर्सनली लेते हैं। एंड द फ्लिप साइड, देयर आर फ्यू पीपल दे आर कंप्लीटली अवॉइडेंट. They struggle expressing emotions. They pull away when things get serious. Too much closeness makes them uncomfortable. अब इमेजिन करो कि एक एंक्शियस पर्सन है एंड दैट पर्सन इज डेटिंग अ अवॉइडेंट पर्सन, पूरा chaos हो जाएगा. One chases harder, the other withdraws more. One says please stay, the other says I need space, and both end up exhausted. Not because they are bad people, but because unhealed patterns are controlling their relationships. सच ये है, many people today ना are trying to receive healthy love through a nervous system जो train हुआ था unhealthy experiences के through. कुछ लोग grow up होते हैं अनवांटेड से एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर. सम ग्रो अप अराउंड इमोशनल निगलेक्ट. कुछ लोग ग्रो होते हैं जहाँ पे उनको प्यार मिला ही कंडीशनली है. कुछ लोगों को बिट्रेयल्स इतने मिले हैं तो उन्होंने वो सब चीज़ें लर्न कर ली हैं अपने अंदर. सो नाउ व्हेन जेन्युइन लव अपीयर्स इट फील्स अनफेमिलियर, एंड व्हाट इज अनफेमिलियर ऑफन फील सेफ. दैट्स व्हाई इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल पीपल समटाइम्स आर अट्रैक्टिव. हम कभी कभी उसी टाइप के लोगों को चूज करते हैं जो हमें इमोशनली कंफ्यूज करते हैं. नॉट बिकॉज कंफ्यूजन इज लव, नहीं, बट बिकॉज वो कंफ्यूजन हमें ना कंफर्टेबल लगता है, हमें फेमिलियर लगता है. एंड अनलेस पीपल बिकम अवेयर ऑफ दीज पैटर्न्स, रिलेशनशिप्स कंटिन्यूसली बिकम इमोशनली ड्रेनिंग साइकिल्स. और इस सबसे ऊपर चीज क्या हो गई आजकल? सोशल मीडिया प्रेशर. Because now relationships are not just experienced privately, they are performed publicly. Every couple looks perfect online. Cute dates, matching outfits, travel pictures, anniversary posts, late night paragraphs to each other. And slowly people stop experiencing love naturally. They start comparing it. हम लोग भी कई बार करते हैं, और आप लोगों ने ये नोटिस भी किया होगा, मे बी इन योर रिलेशनशिप, या अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखा होगा, या समवन क्लोज जो रिलेशनशिप में है, दे स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग. यू बिगिन क्वेश्चनिंग योर ओन रिलेशनशिप बिकॉज समवन एल्सेस हाईलाइट रील्स लुक हैप्पियर. Why don't we post like this? Why don't he or she compliment me in public? Why are other couples so romantic and we are not? But what social media rarely shows is emotional reality. वो आपको fights नहीं दिखाता, misunderstandings नहीं दिखाता, loneliness, anxieties, overthinking, ये तो नहीं दिखाता ना social media आपको. And because everyone is constantly consuming idealized love online, real love ना आपको less feel होने लग जाता है. We are comparing real human beings to edited moments. ये ना pressure create करता है. Now people don't only want healthy relationship, they want a relationship that looks healthy online. Sometimes couples are emotionally disconnected in real life but look perfect on social media accounts. And sometimes deeply loving couples barely post each other at all. But social media has trained us to associate visibility with value. If it's not posted, people think it's not real. And honestly, that pressure quietly destroys intimacy because love grows in safety. Performance में नहीं grow करता है love. और exhausting part इस modern relationship में क्या है? Emotional burnouts. आजकल क्या है, पीपल आर टायर्ड, नॉट रोमांटिकली बट मेंटली। एवरीवन इज कैरिंग स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम समथिंग। वर्क है, फैमिली प्रेशर है, फाइनेंशियल एंग्जाइटीज है, सेल्फ एस्टीम है, स्ट्रगल्स है, कॉन्स्टेंट ओवर सिमुलेशन है, और उसके ऊपर इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने रिलेशनशिप की, जो कि पीस होना चाहिए था। And when two emotionally overwhelmed people try to love each other without emotional maturity, छोटे छोटे issues ना बड़ी fights बन जाते हैं। Delayed reply disrespect बन जाता है, needing space becomes rejection, being tired becomes you don't care anymore, because burnout reduces emotional patience and modern life itself keeps people emotionally dysregulated. We barely rest, we barely disconnect from the whole world, we barely process emotions properly. Most people are distracting themselves constantly. म्यूजिक है, स्क्रोलिंग है, नोटिफिकेशंस है, कंटेंट है, वर्क है, और साइलेंस हैज बिकम uncomfortable. Yet, healthy relationships still require emotional presence. You cannot deeply connect with someone if your mind is overstimulated all the time. And maybe the saddest part is that a lot of people today secretly fear vulnerability. Everyone wants deep love. प्यार सबको चाहिए, सच्चा प्यार. But nobody wants to be the one who cares. People are scared of looking too attached. टू इमोशनल ना दिख जाऊँ मैं, टू अवेलेबल ना लगूँ मैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग इमोशंस एंड योर फीलिंग्स ऑनेस्टली, पीपल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इमोशनल गेम्स. वेट बिफोर रिप्लाइंग, एक्ट लेस इंटरेस्टेड, हाइड इमोशंस, pretend not to care, as if emotional honesty has become embarrassing. But relationships na cannot survive emotional ego forever. Love requires softness, yaar. It requires uncomfortable conversations. It requires reassurance, clarity चाहिए, patience चाहिए. Modern culture na sometimes glorifies detachment more than connection. People say things, I have heard these things: never get too attached, don't care too much, protect your peace. Boundaries अच्छी होती है, मैं खुद कहता हूँ. I have actually made quite a lot of videos on this कि boundaries matter. But hyper independence can also become emotional isolation. Because healing is not becoming emotionally numb. नहीं, मैं ऐसा कभी भी नहीं कहता. Healing is learning how to love without losing yourself. Now this doesn't mean कि modern love doomed है. ना, ये भी नहीं है. Healthy relationships still exist. Real love still exists. Emotionally mature people still exist. But today, love requires more awareness than ever before. You need communication skills. आपको emotional regulations आनी चाहिए, self awareness, honesty, boundaries, patience, because attraction alone is no longer enough. Honestly, मेरी personal thinking यही है कि शायद ये इतनी खराब चीज़ नहीं है. Maybe modern relationships are forcing people to finally confront themselves emotionally, to heal from childhood wounds, to communicate better, to stop confusing attention with love, to stop romanticizing inconsistency, because real love na is actually very calm. It is not constant anxiety, it is not emotional guessing games. यार, फियर नहीं होता है हर रोज सच्चे प्यार में. रियल लव सेफ होता है, ना परफेक्ट, ना ड्रामेटिक, ना मूवी लाइक, बट सेफ. ऐसा प्यार जहां तुम्हें हर वक्त प्रूव ना करना पड़े कि तुम इंपॉर्टेंट हो. दैट काइंड ऑफ लव स्टिल एग्जिस्ट्स, बट टू एक्सपीरियंस इट, people have to stop treating vulnerability like weakness and emotional unavailability like confidence. यार, बात ये है कि modern relationships feel exhausting because people are emotionally overwhelmed, constantly stimulated है, deeply fearful है, and still trying to find genuine connection in a world full of distractions. But maybe understanding this changes something. Maybe it helps you to stop blaming yourself completely. Maybe it helps you realize that confusion is not love. Anxiety प्यार नहीं है, breadcrumbing प्यार नहीं है, constant inconsistency प्यार नहीं है. And maybe the goal is no longer finding someone perfect. गोल ये है finding someone जो emotionally honest है, someone जो emotionally connected है, communicate करता है clearly, choose करता है consistency over games, brings peace instead of confusion. Because love should challenge you to grow, not constantly force you to survive emotionally. And honestly, in today's world, emotional peace is probably one of the rarest form of intimacy. हर कनेक्शन प्यार नहीं होता और हर प्यार सुकून नहीं देता. Choose the kind that does. Hope this video gave you a little comfort, या थोड़ी clarity दी हो, या थोड़ी light दी हो. If it did, please share, subscribe and like. This is You and Mirror. See ya.